In this video, watch as the drain layers complete the final stages of the septic leach field, which has been designed and engineered for the site and conditions. Good news is the weather is looking fine. Turns out we had 40 millimeters of rain in a very brief window, which then dried up shortly after. The drain layers did a great job of redirecting the flow to prevent it going down and undermining the water tank area.
Revolved around you now, it's trapped inside the pain. Maybe I should stay in the dark after you had it to a place too far away. Now all those crazy thoughts are going through my mind. A part of me I can't escape. Our love was so sublime. It doesn't make no sense.
Quick snippet of attempting to bring the dirt bank back a bit before the tanks go in. I needed a bit of space to auger out for posts later on.
I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy. I
Here I am using string lines and standards to get a rough idea of what I'd be working with for post holes.
Memories fade, it's easing my mind. And I can finally breathe when I'm closing my eyes. I never realized what I just could do, but now I know I'm better off without you. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing. Taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
Guess you're trying to find a workmate's missing tool. Might find it one day if it was buried. Being Milwaukee, I'm sure it will still be working.
Who would have used it over here for that busy box? Yeah, it's probably gone.
Gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
While Jesse and crew are underway getting the stormwater and water tanks sorted, I was busy getting some water in the tanks to prevent them blowing away.
Shining through, it's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? Let
all wrapped up and out on a lovely Friday afternoon. If you enjoy these videos and get value out of them, please hit like and subscribe. On the next exciting installment, we will be relocating a few things. Stay tuned.